Now, the Shaunicorn might not like maths, but one thing he does like is a good probability. When do you like probabilities, babe? At the races.
What?
Probabilities. Gambling. How you know which horse is the most likely to win.
The probability of Chinny getting out of her onesie in the next half hour
is not
zero.
Not high. Not high. So excellent example of probability. So on a simpler level, where probability really is if you come back to our coin, is what is the chance of something happening. So if I flick this coin, there's two options. We can have heads or tails. So there's two options that are of equal chance of getting. So there is a 1 out of 2 chance of us throwing a head, or there is a 1 out of 2 chance of us throwing a tail. And we know that 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, which we now know is 50%. 0.5 times 100, 50%. So in the probability trees they make you guys do, so if you can imagine this is throw 1, so we flick our coin, and we're either going to get a head or a tail. And the chances of that happening is 0.5 and 0.5. We're going to toss it again. It's still an equal chance of us getting a head or a tail. 0.5 here, 0.5 here, same here and here. So, if we wanted to know what was the probability of us in 2 throws getting like a head and then another head, you would times 0.5 by 0.5 to get that probability. Which I should put here, 0.25. And the way you can check if you've got it right is that at every like stage of your tree is your probability should add up to 1. So 0.5 and 0.5 are 1, and all these 0.25s add up to 1 as well. And then if you wanted to add a third one to your tree, it'd be 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. And how this in real life affects us is when you see things like, oh, there's like a 50% chance of rain, you know, or again, with back to the gambling, you know, this horse is more likely to win. Or I guess more real world like what I see at work is, you know, is that if you get this certain disease, you might hear there's like a 60% chance that you'll get better. And so understanding what that means has real consequences for your life.